Ladies and gentlemen, this are Miss Pearly Grandson, your favorite meteorologist, and this are your 6 o'clock meteorological update. I are reporting to you live from Bakaha Conifer Tree. Hi for one, we're expecting the branches to be laden with snow by this time like how you see it into the movie them. First, the weather department were said we were to expect snow into this region. Ladies and gentlemen, I never me say so. Some buy, some sell it. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to take this opportunity to apologize to the members of the public for misinformation. This are not snow. This are snow cousin. This are coming like I say, one of the angel them up in the heaven happen to be a little bit higgle and decide to catch dandruff out of the nether one head. If this were snow, ladies and gentlemen, you know we measure it in inches. And because I am a top-notch weather forecaster, I will come with the right equipment to do the job. Ladies and gentlemen, this are a tape measure. It are used for tailoring and seamstressing all over the world. Into Jamaica, it are used as a ghost repellent. In the local vernacular, we say we use a tape measure to run duppy. Especially if you are a widower who just lost your husband. This tape measure, along with one big red baggie and a wrong side frock, and Bob's your uncle, all your problems are solved. Now earlier, I were trying to catch 2 or 3 of the snowflake them so that I could use the tape measure to measure them diameter in inches. That is how we determine how many inches of snow have fall. When I were catch one and were measure it were about 1/8 of an inch. That is you know, ladies and gentlemen, that when it come on to the weather report and the meteorological services that I have offered to the public, precision is the name of our game. We measure it right down to a T. Miss Pearly Grandson with your latest meteorological update. Master Control, over to you.